Good morning, class. Okay, today is Friday. We meet again. 4 minutes basic English class with me. Okay, so for today, let's recall what have we learned this week. Okay, for this week, we have learned about nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, if you still remember, if I say countable nouns and I give you one example, for example, table. If there are many table, how do you change the word table? Okay, the word table will become tables. So from table means one table. When you put s, tables becomes many. So table, tables, table, meja, tables, meja, meja. Okay, now next example. What is bukit in English? It's hill. What is bukit bukau in English? Okay, bukit bukau. So when you say bukit bukau, means it is more than one kata ganda. So bukit is hill. So bukit bukau, hills. Now if you notice, if you listen carefully, hill, hills, table, tables with s. There is a difference between the spelling from one into many. That is for countable nouns. Okay, for uncountable nouns. Okay, before that, give me an example of uncountable nouns. Okay, example is water. Okay, and just like the previous lesson, we have water, oil, and then we have sugar. Cannot change. The spelling doesn't change. So if the water still be water, if you have a glass, it's still water, and if you have few glasses, it is still water. For today, we are going to talk about the use of is and are to match with these countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, like I said before, countable nouns, usually the spelling is changed because you need to put s, es, ves, okay, to indicate that the number, the quantity of the noun is different from one to many. So when you see the changes in spelling, for all these words, you are going to use are. But for uncountable noun, things like water, oil, air, you are going to use is. Give you one simple sentence pattern, okay? In BM, I said in BM, and then you try to translate into English. Terdapat banyak koin di dalam botol. So how do you translate the word, the sentence? When you say terdapat, you always start with there, T-H-E-R-E. So terdapat banyak koin di dalam botol. So there are many coins in the bottle. Okay, terdapat sedikit mentega di dalam mangkuk. Sedikit mentega. Can you count the mentega? What is mentega in English? It's butter. Can you count the butter? No, you cannot count one butter, two butter. No. There is some butter in the bowl. There is some butter in the bowl. If you notice, the spelling is for butter, it doesn't change. Terdapat sedikit air di dalam gelas. There is some water in the glass. So I hope you understand. Just remember, countable nouns, usually you change the spelling. You put s, es, the affix, imbuhan, and towards the end, or usually towards the end of the spelling. And then for uncountable noun, the spelling doesn't change. Usually they don't change. And then one more thing you must remember, for countable nouns, sometimes the spelling is changed. For example, man, men, M-A-N, one, M-E-N, many. So there are some words that you have to change the spelling to indicate the noun is only one or it is many. So for this one, we'll cover again in the next lesson. I hope you understand our lesson for today. Stay home, stay safe, and then I'll meet you again in 4-minute basic English class with me. Thank you and have a good day.